Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today we're taking a look at a set of light bulbs that I got on Amazon. If you actually didn't see that video of me unboxing this thing, make sure you go check it out, then you come back to this video. Now the reason I got this set of light is to replace the ones that I have outside that only light one single color. I think they 3200 Kelvin, which is the yellowish bulbs, not white as these ones that I have here. So the reason I got this is to put outside, and also because I found a light on Incredible Connection that I bought, but I was a little bit disappointed, so I decided to actually get these ones also just to test them, and if they work as good as their cameras, which I've actually been checking out on YouTube, work, then these are gonna actually be perfect for where I want to put them. Now I haven't unboxed it yet, I haven't tested them out, I haven't tried them. We're gonna do it together right here, right on this video. So let's unbox this guy. So these are Wyze, a smart light bulb. They do not go RGB as the light that I actually tested the other time, which was a bit disappointing. Again, check that video if you haven't checked that video yet. Now, let's go first through what the box says. So this is the Wyze bulb. Works with Alexa, works with the Google Assistant, and works with IFTTT. Now, I think I've explained what IFTTT is in the past. What it stands for is if this, then that. Basically, if something happens, then this should happen. It's also an application that helps you control or automate your smart devices around your house if they actually don't communicate. This guy will make them talk to each other. So this one is 800 lumens. And it says that its estimated energy cost saving is $1.14 per year. Now, actually, that's the actual cost that you're going to spend for using these lights. $1.14 a year. On the other side of the box, you have Wyze bulb 4-pack model. You have the rating power, you have lumens, that's the brightness. You have life expectancy of 20,000 hours, and then you have other information there that is really, and you have the QR code here. I think this is what you use to scan for you to add it to the app. I don't know if it's that, then it would be good. On the other side, it has voice controlled, adjustable color, temperature, and brightness, so you can only adjust the temperature and the brightness, not the color. And it says also that you can set timers, schedules, and automation, just like the son-of device that I actually installed on the house. So yeah, let's see what's inside. You have the Wyze quick start guide. We don't need it at the moment. And then you have the 4 bulb. You probably also going to need, most probably actually definitely going to need the application on your smartphone, which I think I have already downloaded it in the past. I've already downloaded the Wyze application. I think I've also already created a profile, which is really straightforward. I don't need to show you guys. You can just follow the steps that guides you through. Okay, so I remember the password. So this is the application. I'm inside it. Got it. I can actually just add new device straightforward. But let's see what else is in the box. I guess this is just actually the light bulbs that are in the box, and that's it. So we're only gonna try one. We don't need to try all of them because they basically do the same thing. So I'm gonna add one of them with you guys in this video, and then I'm going to add the rest by myself. But I think I'm going to just show it to you guys where I install them and how they will be set. So I have my good old friend here. This is actually a really cool lamp, which you can actually turn on and off just by the touch. So you do that, turns on, do that, turns off. I actually also made a video about it some time back, which you guys can maybe check on the channel, or I'm just gonna try and link it somewhere so I can make your guys' life easier, because that's what I'm here for. So much smaller than the one I actually checked from Connect. I like the size, and it's actually a bit heavy. I think it uses, feels like ceramic and not, I think this is ceramic and not plastic. Nice material so far. It says written Wyze right here, and then you have some FCC information right there. So let's just put it on and see if we can add without having to Google anything on how to add. the light bulb to the smart app. Okay, I'm not sure if this thing is on or off, or it just wants to misbehave, but I'm going to have to check. Give me 1 second. So my old friend here decided to misbehave a little bit. I don't know if it's the plug down there that is faulty, but I'm going to try it on this other lamp that I just fetched quickly from my living room. Let's see if here it will power on, or else we are doomed. I'm gonna have to stop this video right here and go and, oh, there we go, it's on. So that guy, I think because of the functionality of turning on and off here, it's actually acting up and he doesn't want to work. So I'm gonna put it, this one, I'm gonna put it on the side. And as you guys can see, the light is on. So we're going to try and connect it to the app, which I'm going to show you guys the process as much as I can. So we're inside the app. I'm gonna add a device. As you guys can see, they have the Wyze Cam, the Wyze Cam Pen, which I actually acquired both. If you want to check that video, probably that video is already out. I'm gonna try and link it down below as well. And then you have Wyze Contact Sensor, you have Wyze Motion Sensor, then you have Wyze Bulb, and you have Wyze Plug. So we want to do Wyze Bulb. So it's saying Wyze Bulb setup, connect your phone, and blah, blah, blah. So let's just continue with that. You guys can read that for yourself. So I am connected to home fiber, that's my internet name. I'm going to enter the password for the internet, for the router, which you guys cannot see, unfortunately. So password in, and it says that you need a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Now I have a 5 and I have a 2.4. Hopefully this is a 2.4 and not a 5, and it's not gonna give me any issues. So it's telling me to go to my connect your phone to Wyze Smart Bulb APWX and return to Wyze. So I'm gonna go back to my settings and see if I can find it here. Okay, I find Wyze right there. The name is not the same as the one they showed me, but I know because it says Wyze Smart Bulb. So they say go there, then come back. So now it's gonna try and connect in approximately 150 seconds. Hopefully it's gonna be done before that. Or else I'm gonna just speed this video up. Okay, it's connected, I guess. Please enter device name. I'm gonna call it front balcony. Front, or just balcony. It doesn't have to be front balcony because there isn't a back balcony. Balcony. Is that how you write balcony? Anyways, let's set successfully. Finish setup. It's actually quite quick, quite straightforward. Congratulations, you've earned a badge, Wyze Bulb. All right, so on and off, on, off, and it's actually quite bright. If you guys can actually see, I'm not gonna do the turn off lights test, or maybe I should, so you guys can actually see. I'm gonna actually do it. So on and off, and I also should be able to turn it to a lower temperature and a higher temperature. I don't know which temperature it is right now. So in the app itself, you have home, events. This is maybe to schedule. You have discover. This is probably to discover a new product, shop, and account. So we are at home. Let me see if I can go inside the app, and there we go. So, okay, a new firmware, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna upgrade this later. So I can change the brightness. This is 9%. And remember, this is 800 lumen. That one that we checked not yesterday, that was a couple of days back from this video. That one claimed to have 1050 lumens, but I think it's as bright as this one when it actually working. I think this one is even brighter than that one. So this is at 100% and this is at, I think this should be 56 or 65,000 kelvins. It doesn't really show on the app. And then I can also turn it all the way down to a soft white, is what they call here. and it's kind of like a tungsten light or a red kind of light. Now let me switch off this light so you guys can see how it actually looks with no lights around, so you guys can judge and compare with the previous light we tested here on the channel. Give me one more second. All right, so we are in a complete darkness right now, and you guys can see, I don't know if it's actually close enough to me for you guys to see it properly. Let me just bring it a little bit closer. As you guys can see, that is me. So this is on probably something around 300 or 3000 kelvins, and if I push it all the way up, it goes closer to a bluish color. If I bring it down to white, that's daylight, and then you can play around with the brightness, and that's the brightness. So you can play around with it, that's fine, and then you can play around with the brightness, which is actually, I think it works pretty cool. It works much better than the light that I tested the other side. So just some more information on this light. This light cost me $39 basically for 4 of them, which is actually pretty cheap if you have to look with or compare with what we currently have here. Now, I don't think I paid any duties or tax in this guy, but I did pay for the other items that came with this light itself. Now, this is gonna be it for this video. Make sure if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I am going to catch you on my next video. Peace.